All right, so this is the day I need to catch a bass. I'm literally in last place in the tournament. I would say, 43rd out of 43rd? If you even say that right. I have no fish. I think I've been to, 3 lakes. Took this thing out 3 times, fished a total of 15 hours, no fish. Saturday is colder than it was the days before I fished. It's 53, supposed to get to 62. The wind's about 5 miles per hour, so that's really good. Last time I went was 10, so I had to paddle through all of that. But yeah, I'm just going to be patient today, take my time, and see if I can get a fish, because I really want to get on this board. I don't want to come in last place and not get a fish. So what I'm going to do is have the kayak already up, fishing gear in the car, and head up to the lake. Let's see if we can catch a big and giant fish. Fish. Get up here, bud. Oh no, it's a stupid shad. Are you kidding me? You guys are. Oh, it's not what we're looking for again. Oh look, we freaking foul hooked this shad. Look how big this is. Guarantee you, catfish eat that and the bass. So I don't know. I haven't caught anything all day. Just got hooked into that, but there's bait fish here. There's gotta be bass here. Fish jumped right there.
Alright, I'm gonna have to go somewhere else next time. I mean, I've been to that lake 4 times. Nothing. Not even a bite. I did have one fish, but it's probably a catfish or something, I think. So I'm gonna have to go somewhere else. There's lakes that are 45 minutes away, an hour and 15 minutes away that are really, really good for bass fishing. So I'm gonna have to try those because I am tired of driving all the way out 35, 40 minutes away to that lake and not getting anything. So yeah, I'm gonna step it up and see if I can get any fish at these bigger lakes. I mean, they're really big lakes. They're huge. I'm not going to be able to cover all of them. There's going to be a lot of boats there, but I don't care. I mean, as long as the bass fishing is good, then I will be fine. Sorry for this boring episode. I did catch a shad, and I want to show you guys that because I thought it was funny. So that's about it for today's exciting episode of Hook 'em Bass 92. If you guys can do me a big, big favor, hit that like button and also to hit that subscribe button. And as always, catch big fish. Have a great day.